Alright, so today we're doing slope-intercept form. Okay, so remember, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope again, and b is your y-intercept. So let's take the standard form. 2y minus 8 equals 20. So I need the x on the right side. So I'm going to add 8x. So add 8x. Okay, remember, I can't combine those. So now I get 2y equals 8x plus 20. Okay, and I need y by itself, so I need to divide everything by 2. So I get y equals 4x plus 10. Okay, so my slope is 4, and my y-intercept is at 10. So that's y-intercept, slope-intercept form. All right, now on a graph, okay, so my y-intercept is at 0, -3, okay? And then my slope, remember, it's rise over run. So I rise, and then I run. So I rise 1, 2, 3, and I run 1, 2. Okay, I can't simplify that, so that's just my slope. So if I were to put it in the slope-intercept form, it'd be y equals 3 over 2x, and then my slope is, my y-intercept is -3. So there is slope-intercept form. All right, so that's part 1 of the day's assignment. Let's look at part 2. So now you're given point slope, and I want it to change it to slope-intercept form. So the first thing I need to do is I need to distribute. So the 2 has to go into x, the 2 has to go into the 3. So I get y minus 4 on the left equals 2x, and then plus 6. Okay. So now I'm going to get y by itself. So I need to add the 4. Add the 4. So I get y equals 2x plus 10. All right, so there you go. So that is point slope to slope intercept. All right, the next one is I have 2 points. I got to put it into slope intercept form. So I got to do y minus y over x minus x. Same thing we did yesterday. Okay, so my y is 4 minus 11. Okay, over. So my x is -3 minus 6. So 4 minus 11. Okay, that is 9. Nope, sorry. 4 minus 11, I'm trying to think right now. It's less, it's 7. -7. All right. -3 minus 6, that is -9. So can I reduce that? Yes. So that's 7 over 9. All right, so now I'm going to put it in my equation. Y equals 7 over 9 x plus b. So now I need to find the b. Okay, so I can use either point. And since this one's positive, I like that one better. Okay, so I'm going to do, my y is 11 equals, all right, 7 over 9, that's 6, plus b. All right, now I can reduce this, okay? So 6 and 3, so I'm gonna change that. Okay, so that's 7 over 3 times 2 over 1. Okay, so that equals 14 over 3 plus b has to equal 11. Okay, this is a little more challenging, huh? Okay, they won't always be this challenging, but let's do it anyways. So now, all right, I'm gonna subtract 14 over 3. subtract 14 over 3. All right, so I have b equals, I gotta change that to a mixed number. So that's 33 over 3. Okay, so I'm gonna subtract that. So 33 minus 14. Okay, so let's think about that. So we have, that would be 19 over 3. Okay, so if I had to put in my equation, I'm gonna have y equals 7 over 9x plus 19 over 3. All right, now your last thing, okay, is we have parallel slopes versus perpendicular slopes. Parallel slopes are congruent. Perpendicular slopes are opposite reciprocals, okay? What that means is I have to flip it and then change the sign. So let's look at our 3 practice problems. So if my slope is 3 over 4, my parallel slope would be 3 over 4. All right, and my perpendicular slope would be 4 over 3. That's reciprocal, but now it has to be the opposite. So it has this negative 4 over 3. Okay, my parallel slope would be 2. My perpendicular slope would be 1 over 2, and that would have to be negative. All right, my parallel slope, that would be the same, negative 1 over 5. My perpendicular slope would be positive 5 over 1, which is just 5. All right, so that's parallel and perpendicular slopes. All right, well, hope this helps. If you need any questions, make sure you're asking. You have a wonderful Tuesday.